Scanning presets in the HP PageWide XL printer series. To view the scanning presets set up in the printer, go to the front panel and press the Scan button. On the left, there is a list of all the default presets, and on the right, there are configurable scan settings. The default presets are based on the most common scanning applications, so you can quickly optimize the settings for a common scan job. You can also edit the default preset settings to quickly adapt them for your job. If you want to change the more advanced settings, select More Settings. In this menu, you can view and change all the scan settings. When you make changes to a selected preset, it only applies to this session. If you want to make your own presets, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Then click the Manage Quicksets option to make your own preset. On this screen, you can see all the presets available on the printer. You can create your own preset by clicking on the plus button or by modifying a factory preset. To do this, press the three dots on the bottom and then choose Duplicate. Create your new preset by changing the settings and then click Save. After you've created a preset, you can edit, duplicate, or delete it. Also, you can change the order of the presets by dragging and dropping them. Click the Done button and all these changes will be applied to the scan configuration page. You have now finished managing all your presets.